Hey, good morning. It's Mike Zschunke with Berkshire Hathaway Homes and Shifton Properties. Sorry, we're a minute late. We literally just came off Camelback Mountain and dropping some friends from New York off here at JW Marriott. But I didn't want to leave you hanging. We're going to talk about residential, we're going to talk about commercial, and we're going to talk about the economy a little bit. What's happening in residential? Inventory's down again this week. Last 6 of the 7 weeks inventory's been down. That's single family detached homes, remember, because of all the condo building and things like that. We focus. It's a little bit more stable number, but it's been a strange week. You know, we've got still sellers think they're living in a castle and buyers are looking for a deal, but we're writing offers. You know, we're just not really getting many together, but we're working on them. We're having the conversations, and that's really what's important. Prices pretty steady. Scottsdale, the 1.5 to 3 million, prices are up 8% over last year. So that's kind of the sweet spot, and that's kind of our bread and butter there. Paradise Valley, still rocking. Paradise Valley really kicked up. Talking about inventory a little bit ago. I'll put Camelback in the background here. What was I going to say about inventory? Usually have a lot of properties cancel, go off the market for the summer. As I've said before, I don't always think that's the best idea because buyers are here. The buyers that are here this weekend are serious buyers, and they're looking to buy. So, inventory has dropped down, but remember, those properties, they still want to sell. And I always say that's a great time to negotiate because they're tired. Sellers are tired. They're fed up. They want to get their property sold. They don't want to sit 2-3 months. So I look up those properties that have recently canceled, and those are the ones we make offers on because we know that they want to negotiate, and I'm seeing those deals close. So commercial, it's been interesting actually, whether you like it or not. Big beautiful bill passed yesterday. Best thing for commercial real estate, you now have 100% bonus depreciation on your commercial property. You can deduct the cost of your qualifying property and the equipment 100% in the first year rather than amortizing that over the 39 years. 39, is that right, for commercial? So I think we're going to see a big uptick in commercial deals here because that's your tax write-off. You get cash flow instantly when you buy your commercial property. So, and as I always say, we do a lot of teaching small business owners own the real estate, and that's going to make a big difference. That's especially if you're a dentist and you're paying taxes on whatever your income is. Now you purchase a building this year, and it goes back to January actually too. You purchase your building this year, that's now your tax write-off. It's going to be a big benefit for commercial properties this year. Some light industrial, got a lot of land deals are kind of working through now too. So anyway, economy. Had the unemployment number yesterday. Everybody was so excited for this unemployment number and jobs number. When I worked on the Board of Trade, that was always the busiest day. You could never miss that day. But unemployment was strong again, and I always take that those numbers with a grain of salt. But as I've said, everybody gives Jerome Powell a hard time. Jerome Powell is the chairman of the Federal Open Market Committee. There's 12 members that dictate the monetary policy. And they really don't cut rates, as everybody says. That's a very simple way of saying it. What they do is they buy and sell U.S. Treasuries to control the money supply, and that they can narrow in and dictates whether they want rates to go higher or lower. And what's the 10-year yesterday? 4.35? That's pretty good. Remember, one man's debt is another man's asset. So 4.35, you're loaning your money out. The most simple term, you're loaning your money for 10 years. You got to get some interest on that. 4.35, that's pretty decent. So, everybody talks about lowering rates. And yes, they lower rates to boost the economy, to give it a little kick in the butt there. But can I say that? But anyway, so really no reason to cut rates. They're not going to get one in July, pretty sure. And of course, I don't know. Anything can happen. Nobody knows what rates are going to do, but they are what they are. And, if the economy's pretty strong right now, so it's rolling along. People are making money. Things are expensive, but, business is happening. So anyway, we're here to help however we can. Sorry, short today, kind of, like I said, I got some friends in from New York, and they wanted to climb Camelback this morning, so we went and did it. So get out. Happy Independence Day, 4th of July. Be safe, be smart. Have a great day. There's the Arizona flag and the United States flag. And, we live in the best country. So we really do. So anyway, if we can help you buy or sell anything, land, residential, your luxury home, your investment property, commercial, let us know. Just give us a shout, 203-733-5877. Have a great weekend. Be smart, be safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.